Hi everyone, I'm Curtis. Welcome to my channel. This is the Indo Chef channel where we make all sorts of things that are Indo. Today we're making 3 different dishes from one giant pork loin. So we're cutting it up into little pieces, into medium pieces, into big pieces. If you're new to this channel, please be sure to like, click the button over there, subscribe as well. Hit the little bell icon up there or up there if you want to get a notification for every new video that I make. Let's go! This pork loin is vacuum sealed. So start by giving it a rinse off and a pat down with a paper towel. You can save a lot of money by buying meat in huge chunks like this. This entire thing only costs $20. We're going to start the breakdown here into 4 even portions. So take your cleaver or whatever large knife you have and just cut it across the middle. Grab some Ziploc bags and away you go. Level 1, Italian pork chops. Take one of your quarters of the pork loin and slice it into 6 even chops. Take a half bottle of Italian dressing and dump it in the bag. Swoosh it around, massage the whole thing, make sure the meat's not sticking together, and then set it overnight. It's tomorrow. Let's burn the crap off your grill, set it up all the way, burn, burn, burn. Take a high heat cooking oil and just wipe down the grill with a paper towel. Now that the grill is nice and hot and it's oiled up, get those chops and we'll take them out, spread them out evenly. Close the lids and wait 5 minutes. The time to turn it is when it releases evenly and nicely from the grill. If you do it too soon, the whole thing will just stick and fall apart. So give it a little poke and just test it before you really take that flip. Turn it a few times, quarter turn, if you really want that nice, perfect crisscross grill. There it is. Enjoy. Level 2, char siu pork. The cutting on this one is also very simple. So you're going to take the same type of meat and slice it lengthwise to start. Next we're taking sort of like a half chop, sliced nice and thin. We want that marinade to really get deep into that meat. Buckle up, this one has 3 ingredients instead of 1. Char siu sauce to me tastes like 5 spice and honey. It's super sticky. Oyster sauce is super salty, smoky, and it's the base in a lot of stir fries. Add a touch of grapeseed oil or any oil just to keep it from sticking, and we're ready to massage this just like the other one. And this one is going to sit overnight twice. Now that we've waited for 2 full days, we're ready to get this grill going. So spread it all out and keep that heat high. You want a nice dance between the sugar and the fat, but you don't want to burn it. It burns so easily with all that sugar in there. One of my favorite TV chefs growing up was Stephen Yan, and he always had these aprons, things like this. Don't walk away. If you do walk away, the entire grill will be on fire. It happens every time you walk away. Don't do it. After the first flip, let it sit for 1 or 2 minutes. Now to finish things off, crank the heat all the way up and turn the meat constantly. You want to finish this with a nice shiny fat glaze. People worry too much about overcooking pork loin. In this case you don't need to worry. The constant turning helps baste the meat and keep it juicy. So you can eat this pork as is, or you can chop it up in stir fries, or even make a nice sandwich. Level 3, Indonesian Satay. Take your pork loin and slice it lengthwise down the middle as if you're butterflying it, but go all the way through. Slice into the strips and then cubes. Grab your mortar and pestle, we're going to pound some palm sugar. If you're new to this ingredient, it smells and tastes a little bit like brown sugar and honey mixed together. Break it down to the consistency of brown sugar. Here are the other ingredients. My family only uses ABC brand soy sauce. Next we use some premium soy sauce, or salty soy sauce, minced garlic, galangal powder, and shrimp paste. Chinjang or black rice vinegar, and a touch of grapeseed oil. Mix it up and really work in that marinade. Then we're going to leave it for 2 nights. The next step is to tusuk or pierce the meat. It's a rite of passage to stab your fingers several times while your oma tells you to work faster. The grill is heated up, let's head outside. A quick tip for this, is to only turn on the burners directly under the meat. It prevents burning off wood skewers if you're using wood, and it prevents you from burning your fingers on metal skewers. Before you turn the meat, give it a little wiggle to make sure it's not stuck. If it's stuck, just wait a little longer. Get a nice char on the fat, because we all know, fat is flavor. These little piggies are all done. Let's go in for a taste test. I hope you like these recipes. Stick around for more on my Instagram channel, link below, and I'll see you next time.